Defining your search. The searches we discussed in the previous video are broad match searches. This means that Google may include results that contain the word cat, the word toys, or even the word interactive for the second example. While Google has improved at making searches more relevant for the entire keyword phrase, results may not show the true picture. Narrow down the search to websites that are optimizing for that term. To do that, you can use an advanced operator within Google. Having the keyword phrase as part of the title will help Google determine what the web page is about. You can use the all in title operator to return only those results with that phrase in the title, as follows: all in title with no spaces between the words, interactive cat toys. Even these results can become skewed as you look at the results past the first few pages. However, it will be close to the number of websites competing for that keyword phrase. Next, number of competitors.